Updating your payout information on Folx Health is essential for ensuring you receive your funds without any issues. Follow these simple steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Folx Health website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout information. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Payout Information or Payment Details. Click on this option to access your current payout details. Step 4. Update your information. Enter your new payout information, such as bank account details or payment method. Double-check the accuracy of the information to avoid any payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout information, make sure to click the Save or Update button to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout information on Folx Health. Make sure to check your account periodically to ensure everything is up to date.